Good morning, Frankie. Good morning, good morning, good morning. But it keep breaking my sway bar linkage. For some reason, they get loose and things. Hey, man, why can't I do my work? How can I do my job without you being around? That white and black is sitting real stupid on here. Y'all. Good morning, Frankie. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to you, Frankie. Good morning to y'all, even though this is the same vlog from yesterday. Before we talk about what I'm doing today is, make sure y'all go check out, this is my homeboy record label. He do music. Y'all seen him yesterday. Affiliated ENT Records. It was my boy that pulled up on me yesterday. I've been knowing him since we was kids. We have a childhood that we share together. It's my boy. Check him out. His music. I think his name is on Instagram. The General something. But check him out on Instagram. Just move the General to you. So yeah, check him out on there. Like I said, he got great music. He's been doing it for quite some time. And he does quite a few other things. He does music and, I already said music. He does movies, modeling and things like that. But other than that, today we finna, I don't know, man. I'm still kind of lost on what I want to do. Matter of fact, I know what I need to do. Take this, where's a rag at? Because I definitely need to change this sway bar link, which is this. Definitely need to change that, which is, if some people don't know what that is, that's a sway bar link, which is my other one right there. I don't think that's the right sway bar link for some reason, because it keep breaking my sway bar linkage. I don't know why I call this a sway bar link. That's just a sway bar, but it keep breaking my sway bar linkage for some reason. They get loose and things like that. So I not even ordered, I just bought this one off another one, and I don't know if that one might have a twist in it or not. But I'm gonna change that, gonna make some other runs and get this day going. And I see fingerprints on my camera lens. Wow. But yeah, we all cleaned up. Man, what do y'all think I look like in white, man? I don't wear too much white. I don't even care for white like that. Like, I'm not a white shirt, clothes type wearing person. Because the reason why, it's not that I don't like it. It's because that every time I wear white, it seems like anything that can damage the color of white that can show always just come to me and somehow and gets on me every time. Other than that, we finna jump in Franken right now. I'm finna go ahead and start this bad boy up. Alright. Like I said, we finna go grab this piece, jump off in traffic, and spend some money. I don't even know why I didn't use that thing. But I noticed that I'm wearing slippers again. I'm always wearing slippers, man. I love wearing slippers because slippers is super comfortable. And I still need to get these steps, and I still ain't got them. Gotta jump in. That's what big boys do. Whew. But we finna jump in traffic. Probably finna head to AutoZone, matter of fact, and go grab some paint, because I actually want to paint it. You see my last sway bar linkage was painted. So I'm gonna go grab that, make some other stops, and probably just talk with y'all. But let's go over here and get in the zone, all right? All right, yo, we up here at AutoZone. Y'all see this? Hard, hella dope. Hey, that mug is nice right there, dude. I'm not even gonna lie, I gotta put this on my channel, man. I got to. Oh yeah? Ooh wee, boy. This nigga, check him out, man. Y'all can find him on Instagram. That white and black is sitting real stupid on here. This is real nice right here, man. I ain't gonna lie. This I8 is dumb. I like the way it sit. Like, just the aggressive look on it. And he just did the two-tone on it so crazy. It kind of reminded me of the Bugatti, that the two-tone is in the front and the back. It's not half. And he just did it with the blue brakes, with the scoop, the reverse scoop. Yeah, he killing them with this, man. I ain't gonna lie, I like that. He did his thing, man. You definitely gotta salute your people. Like I said, I ain't no hater. Anytime I see something looking good, I'm gonna announce it. Look at this guy right here, man. Who he think he is? Look at who this guy.
What's the big old deal?
No, boys, man. Oh, he in the building. I'm vlogging with him right now. I was just. Hey, I need some paint, man.
Paint?
Yeah, I'm finna paint my sway bar.
Sway bar paint.
Yeah, so I need some primer and I need some gray paint.
Gray.
Gray.
Come on, holla at me at the paint.
See what I'm talking about. Hey, man, that thing is nice though, man. Real stuff.
Appreciate you, man.
I ain't gonna lie.
Like somebody, man. Who is he, man?
I don't know, man. He making it look like he's somebody important outside. He gotta be. Oh, we. Damn, what kind did I get? I know it was some heat paint.
Heat?
Yeah.
For the sway bar?
Yeah. Cause it's stuck good.
Caliber paint.
Well, give me some caliber paint.
Yeah, man. Let me get my boy right real quick. High temperature caliber drum and rotor paint.
That's what that is?
Yes, sir.
And you got some primer?
Yes, sir.
What you been up to, man?
Man, I'm trying to stay sucker free, man, in a land full of lollipops. Man, I'm trying to stay sucker free, man, in a land full of lollipops.
Because of inflation, can I get an amen?
It said a land full of lollipops.
That was hard.
I ain't gonna lie.
That was kind of sticky right there.
That said a land full of lollipops. I gotta use that. I definitely got
It's
to.
high temperature, that's primer.
All right, that's definitely gonna do then.
What you painting on the truck?
Yup.
Man,
My
that
sweat.
motherfucker said high, man.
Yeah, man, I need to put them steps on there.
Man, the nigga just came and bought my eights, the day before yesterday.
Off your white Tahoe?
Yep.
What?
I sold him the eights.
Man, what you
30s.
what you doing? Oh, you finna go 30s on him.
I'm like, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna bring this little super sport out, man.
Hey, did you ever get rid of that Impala?
Yeah.
What?
My dad did, man. He fucked me out of that, bro. Still beefing to this day about that, bro.
Pops.
Did me bad about it, too.
Oh, we.
Yeah, you knew that was my baby, man. Bringing the Chevelle back out, though.
He still got that blower on the top of that, man?
That's on that Malibu. He got the interior did. He
Uh-uh.
painted it. It ain't red no more. It's like Chevy orange.
Yeah, you know, your dad, boy, he stay in the high end of everything.
I'm trying to get him off these bikes, man, and get him back into these cars. He just started some shit.
For real.
Dude, they gonna take your head off. That, dude.
Oh, we.
Man, I want to see that when you're done, man. I might go ahead and put you on a couple jobs. Send it to me. I'm gonna support it.
Yeah, well, I'll be
Post
on here.
it up, share it. You know
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, man. Shit, I ain't been doing much.
Yeah, man, stay out the way, bro.
Already,
Glad to
man.
see you doing something powerful.
Already, bro. I'm
Right.
gonna catch up with you. I'm gonna send you the what's the name as soon as I get done, too.
All right, bet.
All right.
I got it right here, son.
All right, yeah, we finally done got the paint. We finna go ahead and spray candy on the Renoder. I mean, not the rotor. Somebody left a battery right there. I'm gonna take it too. Oh, nah, I'm gonna put this in there. So we're gonna spray some paint on this weight bar. Y'all can see what I got. If y'all got like a lot of parts, this is some good paint to use. It stick real good. It stay with the temperature, you know, even if it's high temperature. This is what I go with. But we finna get out here and move around a little more, see what else I gotta do, and keep this day going. All right?
1 hour later.
Come on, son, let's get out. But we just getting back over here to the house. I picked up my son from school. Seemed like the day fly by so quick when you pick your kids up from school. Time go by quick, but if they at home with you, it's like, oh my God, it feel like the day go by slow. Let you try to get rid of them. Say if you gotta get rid of them at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, boy, that 2 o'clock gonna take forever. Come on, son. But y'all can see right here, we got the paint. Probably gonna spray it up, spray the primer on there and let that sit for about a day or so. Make sure it's good on there and it's setting just right. You got so much stuff. Look how much toys this dude got. Like, this is just in his hand. That don't count all the cars he got in the house. This is how much toys that this dude travel with every day. There's all of this stuff. But yeah, I got the paint. We finna change my shirt definitely and just put some spray on it. I probably won't be able to install it today, but just to get something done. I'll let y'all see the process.
A few minutes later.
All right, y'all. Finally got all the stuff out. Just to clean the sway bar up. Just a quick look. My son spraying and wet me. Hey, man, why can't I do my work? How can I do my job without you being around? But yeah, this is the stuff I'm gonna clean it with. If he'll let me clean it. Hold on, son, wait. I'm actually using some Purple Power. Purple Power work good. Son, you spraying 80 feet. Purple Power worked pretty good with it. So I'm gonna just clean this up real quick. Guess I can go out there. What do you see, son? Time to go out here and let it bake. My son love watching the garbage truck. You see it? You see that? Look at that. He picks it up. Yeah. Our new garbage can. You see that? Dumped out our garbage can? I see. Alright, so we gotta let this bake. Let the candy bake in the sun. I'm just planning on letting it dry off. I don't know, I'm gonna try to spray it today. Got all the debris and the grease off of it. What?
It smells like trash.
It smell like trash?
Yeah.
No, it's stinky. But yeah, we're gonna let that bake in the sun and put my stuff up. See how that do, and we just gonna jump into the paint and to the part being on that zone. You heard? So it's about that time. I'm gonna spray some primer on this thing. I just threw it on the box. Just spray this. Ooh, hit my camera.
Where's my water? Daddy, why'd you gotta play white? Why'd you gotta play white?
All right, y'all, that's a solid touch for the primer. And I just gotta go hit it with the actual paint once this primer dried up, and we're gonna slap this thing on.
5 hours later.
So now here we is, you know, we done, finally touched up. Gonna go ahead and show y'all the details of it. Quick little details on what I did, you know, it all add up, you know, once you do so many details, so it's time to change that. You can see I painted that myself. You know, you ain't gotta paint it the best. And I know y'all probably wondering, like, why is he showing this? Like, you went from going on the mountains, doing this and doing that. Like, man, this is vlogging. It's a lifestyle, man. Like I said, it's not a flex, it's a lifestyle. But, I don't know, I'm finna throw this joint on here. Tired of swerving left and right when I ain't swerving. Okay, now it's official. It's official. That's the old dirty nasty guy right there. We done took off. I took it off because, you know, like I said, I think it went to a different truck, I want to say. And we finally fresh in the best right now. We on, so the swerve is out of here. But since that's all done, besides that, you know, this video ain't based on me with my truck. It's just showing y'all different things I be doing. You know, I just merged somewhat like the day in the life in the way of my little truck vlogs and stuff I be doing. Not truck vlog, car vlog. I ain't dropped a car vlog in a minute. I need to drop one of them like ASAP. You know, I just been real busy. How's it going, man? I just been real busy. You know, just dealing with stuff. But other than that, I'm gonna get back to it. But since I done that, I don't know, I might drop another vlog. I'm trying to figure out what else is to do. Like I said, man, I feel like I'm the only YouTuber in Arizona. I feel like there is no other YouTuber. They're doing podcasts. There is no vlogger, I want to say. There's other YouTubers, but there is no other vloggers. Like, I don't know. I don't think Arizona really understand the game right now. You know, if y'all out there in y'all state and y'all understand the game, the way that YouTube works, vlogging works and all that, like, please, somebody come out here and break the chain for Arizona so they can understand that this is real. But other than that, man, today, I think I'm gonna close it up for what it is today. Until then, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on all posts and notifications. Again, my name is Double. Check me out on Instagram as Doubted Double, and my Instagram to my YouTube channel, you can definitely check that out as G1 Vision. So, but besides that, man, stay tuned to the next video, man, and stay locked in. You already know what it is. You got a slang, you got a vision, you're a part of the game. G1.